Hi, this is Pallavi Verma, and in this video we will see how we can use module.exports. So let's get started. So first I'll create a file. Let's say it's test.js. So first I'll import a module. So it's const express I need to import. So I need to specify which module I need to import. It's express. Now there are two ways to use module.exports. So first I'll create a function, and let's say it's your call method, and I need to specify what kind of data it's expecting. So let's say it's array, but it's JSON array. So I'm gonna pass here JSON array, so it will expect JSON array. So let's say it's ARR array. Now I need to have the router object. So it's const router and exp.router I'll have. Now I need to set the navigation for this. So router.get method I'm gonna use. So here I will give the URL, let's say it's nav. Now it will have a function of request, response, and it will have next. Now, once we send the request to the browser, we are expecting a response. So I'm going to use response, so which is res.send. So there is a reason why I'm using this send, not end. So first, what kind of data we are expecting? So I'm gonna expect whole JSON on my browser. So I'll just send the array, and I need to return the router also. Now, there are two ways. One, if I use module.exports like this, or I can just simply use the assignment part. So I'll write it over here, and here after this exports I need to specify the name of your method, which is call method, and it's call method. And there is one more thing. If you are returning the value like this, suppose it's XYZ, so here also you need to change it to XYZ, but I'm not gonna do this. So now I need to create one more file. So let's say it's your caller.js. So here first again I'll just import the method. So here I will import the module. So exp require and the name of the module, which is express. Now I need to set the server, I need to set the port on which we will run it. So exp, and we will use its use method, and then we need to set the port using the listen method. So let's say it's 5050. This is your port number on which your server will run. So here in this use method, we need to specify what kind of JSON data we gonna pass. So again, for this, first I need to give the navigation like this. Here I have given nav, and here we can give, let's say it's test. And now, since we need to use this particular method, so we need to import this file first. So it's const, let's say it's your test.js, and require and the path of this JS file, so which is test. So using this, okay, this is T. Using this test.js, I'm gonna access that method and I'll pass that JSON data over there. So it's call method And now here I'll pass the JSON data. So JSON is nothing but a key value pair. So let's say it's first name and the value of this key is Pallavi. Like this, you can specify a number of key value pair. So let's say it's last name, it's Verma. So our port is ready, and we are also using this call method using this module export. So module exports is making available your method to this particular JS file. So let's run it. So it's caller. Now I need to check on which port we are running the server. It's 5050, which is test and nav. So let's run it. Localhost 5050/test/nav. So we are getting the whole data over here. And if you need a specific data, so here what you can do is this ARR, and you need to give the index number. So like 1. So it will give you this last name. So I'm gonna stop the server and then again I launch the server. If I refresh, so I'm getting this last name only. So this is how you can do it. I hope you like this video. Stay connected and stay safe.